Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet weekly update and also an intraday update. We are going to change the strike prices and entry prices, everything we are going to do it here. And this weekly sheet is works for a weekly, and every Friday it's going to be update. And just a second. So here a lot of opportunity based on the positional one, which we are going to update it for positional basis. And intraday, so we are having a intraday sheet. It works based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout. So last trading session were negative, so we find a lot of opportunity in a downside. So already we seen that in our previous charts also. And monthly positional, those are following our advanced option strategy. So almost 23 stocks within 14 days in the first half. So it is generating you more than 50% return. From there, we have to find out some opportunities. I think the Voltas is the first one which is given me in the beginning of the month, and something like City Union Bank, IGL. So all those are working better on IRCTC. That is also be a good move. And initially we have 12 to 13 stocks, but based on our scanners and screeners, we find a lot of opportunity with this Google Sheet. Almost 25 stocks and 30% and above almost 31 stocks. That's a good idea. So we find out an opportunity that was giving you the month of April, and also we given some stocks like based on our monthly IV. So we have finding some 15 stocks for the month is Tata Chemical, UPL, Ambuja Cement, TCS, Hindu Petro. These are all the stocks from this list. Titan, SAIL, and are working well. So here in the list, Titan is the top one. Voltas also be there. Sorry, Titan. I think we seen in a put side. Yeah, Titan. It is given an entry, and SAIL will be there in the list. And base Tata Steel also triggered, and we have to wait for an target. I think Tata Steel, which is triggered already, and maybe right now it is lesser than our entry point. Okay, so here this is the 15 stocks which I am looking for a positional opportunity that we have taken on the beginning of the month. So monthly positional that works well, and this is for a trending based directional trades that works well. And weekly positional, so last week from Monday to Friday, so one day is on holiday, and we are finding some stocks. So 2 to 3, how we effectively filter with this particular scanner. That is the main logic which you are used, and intraday is a daily purpose. So this video is mainly for that back testing how it is works. And now I'm going to change the data for the next week as well as tomorrow's update. So it will be automatically updated, the strike price and the entry price. Everything would be changed here in the sheet, and weekly as well as in intraday. So monthly would be remain same, and monthly once we are going to update the monthly sheet. At this moment we are going to change the weekly sheet, and you will be finding out on weekly opportunities maybe from next Monday to Friday. So the data which we are looking for on 15th to 19th, the weekly data which is going to be updated. So now it is moving on, that is going to be updated. So let me wait, all the strike prices would be updated. So here perfectly updated the data for tomorrow as well as weekly. In tomorrow's trade, so we have some stocks like Zeal, India Cement, MGL, ICICI, it is showing you 100%. So this may be not a liquid one. In a put side, you can see India Cement, Zeal, MRF. It's not a liquid strike price, but no problem. So if you are looking at an intraday sheet, we always focus that trigger must be happen on after 9:30. So here we have the scanner, it is automatically refreshed. So whatever the stock which triggers our entry point before 9:30, that would be removed from the list. After removing that, we may be able to find out a fresh breakout trade. So now the sheet is completely updated for the tomorrow's trade in intraday, but still the monthly would be remain same. Monthly once it is going to be update, and weekly. So as of now, so we don't get any new stock which is nearing to that our entry point. So our entry point is something about to 100% to break. So whenever stock reaches 100 in this change percentage, if it is reaching 100, that simply tell us it is going to be given you the breakout. Okay, at this moment So we don't have a no stocks is reaching 100. So when it is crossed above 100 or reaching is 100, that is what an entry point or the breakout point. So you know well, we can apply our hedging strategies are based on the advanced option strategy, or else you can utilize your own trading strategies also here in this top listed stocks. Maybe tomorrow after market open, you will be getting some stocks may be listed there, and top stocks only. I'm just looking for an opportunity, and it must be a liquid and quality. So at this moment, no stocks were nearing to that entry point. So maybe according to this market opening condition on Monday, that means tomorrow, so you will be getting opportunities, whatever the stock which nearing to that and entry point. So monthly, so already triggered. If you were looking for a new trigger, so maybe some of the stocks is not triggered yet, but if it is a good liquid and quality stocks, we can look for. But also we are crossed near about 15 days, and next week would be the third week, almost I think third week, completion of third week. So maybe if you are holding any positional based on our advanced option strategy concept, so maybe up to 19th, so we should wind up, because on 25th is the expiry. That is what, on 22nd to 26th week, that is the fourth week. So if you are using our positional strategy, whatever the trade which you are already holding based on our advanced option strategy concept, you can hold up to 19th only, because expiry week we are going to face a physical delivery and high margin. So a lot of complications for if you are holding a stock options in expiry weeks. So simply if you are holding a positional on monthly basis also, you can wait up to 19. And last week you can look for an intraday. So maybe some brokers are allowing to take a trade in intraday basis. Some of the brokers like Dawn and Upstocks are allowing to take a trade on intraday, but some other brokers are not allowing. So they are asking you a huge margin for ATM and ITM options. But OTM options, it doesn't require that much of margin. But if you are following with the OTM, that would not a good choice for an expiry days. Okay, so before in the 15 days, we have a lot of stocks achieved our almost 50%, more than 50% targets. So maybe I hope, so those who are my students who are following our advanced option strategy, they may be finding some good opportunities in this monthly. And we also selected some stocks from that list. We have one or two stocks which is triggered and that achieved our target too. So that is what update in the sheet today. And intraday, so you can use for an R4 Camarilla R4 breakout that works for an intraday basis. I hope, thank you for watching, and you enjoyed this session now. And if you have any doubts and questions also, you just ping me. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. You will be getting access paid services available to access this sheet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.